Hi Gemini, welcome back sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader Gemini. Gagawin natin ang inyong monthly Tagalog reading for the month of September 2024. At ang timestamp ng reading natin ay 9:31 p.m. September 29, 2024. For some reason, hindi ko na-record yung unang reading nyo. Kailangan nating ulitin. Maybe talagang it's not the reading for you, but we will see, okay? So, ito ay isang collective reading, so maaaring mag-resonate sa certain collective, and if it does not resonate, then it only means hindi para sa inyo yung reading na to, and I will tap into your energy next time. Sa mga new viewers po natin, welcome po sa ating Tagalog Reading Channel. Sa mga current subscribers, maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga monthly Tagalog readings. Muli po ako ay si Abby at isa akong intuitive reader. Okay? So, collective, Gemini, i-shuffle ko lang muna ang mga baraha in front of the camera, and I'll see you guys in few seconds, okay? Hi again, Gemini. So, simulan na natin ang inyong reading again. At hindi na record yung unang reading for some reason. I don't know. Akala ko na-hit ko yung recorded button kanina. Okay, are you ready, Gemini? Position 1, position 2, position 3, position 4, position 5, pang-anim, at the center. Okay, are you ready, Gemini? So, sa first position nyo, yung release card nyo, ang sabi dito, I feel my way into fate one step at a time. So, may kinalaman pa rin to dun sa unang reading natin. Kasi yung unang reading na ginawa na hindi recorded, apparently has something to do with increasing your faith or getting back in touch sa faith ninyo, sa pananalig ninyo. Maybe it's been a while na naging out of touch tayo, maybe sa sobrang kabisihan sa buhay natin, or sa mga challenges natin. But it's one way of parang reminder para it's calling you back na get back to whatever your belief system is or your practice, no, and reconnect. Okay? So, yun nga. I feel my way into faith one step at a time. Anyway, hindi ka naman manonood ng tarot reading if hindi ka spiritual na tao. So, it's just encouraging you to go back again, palakasin ang inyong pananalig. Kasi yung unang reading is something to do na parang yun na magpo-propel sa'yo sa mas magagandang simula. Okay? So, yun ang, I hope it resonates. More like parang advice or reminders sa'yo. Okay? Slowly, mararamdaman mo yan, makakita ka ng mga signs or ng mga, yung mga messengers. That could be people around you, friends or family na they will remind you, to get closer again, slowly, sa faith life natin, sa ating faith work. Okay? Now, sa second position naman, ito yung kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. Okay? Meaning, ginagawa mo na yan. So, ang sabi dito, instead of worrying about the future, huwag mag-worry. I know all is well when I am aligned in the moment. Okay? So, iwasan natin mag-worry sa hinaharap kasi tayo nagke-create ng ating future. Okay? So, pag nag-create ka ng future, no, time is an illusion eh. Naniniwala ako doon. Naintindihan ko na yon after learning the law of attraction and law of assumption and multiverse. No? So, there's such thing na sinasabi nilang quantum shifting or quantum jumping doon sa timeline na gusto mo. And there's such thing na parang since ikaw ay co-creator, no, you have the ability to create. So, future is an illusion and yung past is an illusion. What we only have is present time. So, you need to be in alignment in the moment. So, magfo-focus ka lang sa present time. Yun ang advice sa'yo na kailangan mong ipagpatuloy. Which is a good thing. It only means na hindi tayo nag-anticipate or sobrang anxious right now sa past natin and sa future. Okay? So, wag kang mag-worry daw sa future kasi it's just an illusion. Pwedeng mabago, pwede mong i-recreate yan kasi ikaw ang painter ng canvas mo. Okay? Yung nakikita natin ngayon, nagawa na yan. Yan yung mga bagay na naisip at naramdaman natin at na-create natin. So, it's just an illusion. There's no such thing as past. Okay? Ginawa mo yun eh. Okay, ngayon, may ability ka uli araw-araw. That's why sinabi dito, align in the moment. May ability tayo araw-araw na gumawa ng much better future para sa atin. Okay? So, naniniwala ako dyan. Okay? Now, sa third position nyo, Gemini, sa manifestation, ang sinabi, to begin the practice of allowing, I must get out of the way and let the spirit give me direction. So basically, synonymous siya dun sa unang reading nyo na something to do with spiritual work and letting go of the control. Kasi may limit lang yung kaya natin gawin. And sinasabi dun sa unang reading nyo, let go and surrender. So it's something to do rin dito. Parang similar talaga. Dalawang beses natin ginawa yung reading nyo and parang yung theme is still the same, no? So to begin the practice of allowing, no? Parang nagkakaroon ba tayo ng resistance na mag-surrender or mag-let go sa outcome, 'di ba? So tanggalin yung resistance na yon. So kailangan mong maging open na parang okay, I trust the universe to do the rest, no, that I cannot do. The rest na hindi ko na kontrolado. I trust the Lord to will give this to me for my highest good. Yun yung kulang. So, yun sinasabi sa manifestation mo, you need to get out of the way, no? Na ikaw mismo ang nagiging blockage sa sarili mo, na mag-receive something na galing sa divine. So, to begin the practice, so allow yourself, no, to give yung spirits, our Lord, our angels, or yung mga guides mo, to give you the direction. It could also be not only spirit guides. Sa first reading, sinabi rin na be open ka daw sa pag-receive ng mga guidance and wisdom na available sa'yo. It could be advice, lessons, no? Galing din sa mga wisdom ng ibang tao na nakaranas na, no? At nagkaroon na experience about it, no? So, could be listening or accepting advices from friends and family members or others na concerned sa well-being mo. Okay? So, mas malaki ang importansya no, pagdating sa ikagaganda ng buhay. Matuto tayong makinig sa mga payo. Okay? Matuto tayong makinig at maging open sa mga bagong learning. I-let go of the resistance or yung pagiging close-minded. Okay? Yun ang sinasabi dito. Kasi it will give you the right direction. Bibigay, magkukurb yan sa'yo ng mga new avenues or mga bagong landas para sa mga bagong oportunidad. Okay? Sa external energy mo naman, Gemini, ang sabi, yung universe is always conspiring to support you, to guide you, and to lead you compassionately toward the highest good. What did I just said? Repeating cards, okay? So, para kasi ang theme talaga ng reading mo is more like nahihirapan tayo na magtiwala. No? Parang nai-stress tayo kasi ito yung gusto kong mangyari, bakit hindi pa nangyayari? Ito yung gusto kong outcome, bakit ang tagal-tagal? So, antayin natin na dumating sa atin sa tamang panahon. So, wag tayong ma-stress. Kasi the more nag-anticipate, the more na-stress tayo kasi may attach ka masyado sa outcome, the more na ma-delay. Kasi, yun yung minamanifest mo eh. Naiinip ka. Naiinip ka, kaya yun ang magmamanifest. Madedelay ng madedelay. Okay? It's more like an advice to you na let go of control, relax, no? Do your thing, yung mga usual na ginagawa mo, nag-aaral, nagtatrabaho, don't mind kung may movement or wala. Eventually, magugulat ka na dyan na yan. Okay? No, at position 5 naman, ito yung kailangan mo ibigay sa sarili mo. When I'm grateful for what I have, I can feel good along the way to what I desire. So, ang sinasabi dito, be more grateful. Okay, wag tayong mag-focus dun sa bagay na lacking or may scarcity or feeling natin wala pa. So, sabihin natin, live in the moment. Kasi parang ang sinasabi kasi dito, wag kang mag-focus sa bagay na paparating or hindi mo pa natatanggap. O yung mga bagay na minamanifest natin, kinikreate natin, pero naiinip tayo. Huwag ka magfo-focus doon. Kasi the more na nagfo-focus ka sa time, sa duration, lalong madedelay. So, kasi yun yung minamanifest mo eh. So, lalong sasabihin ng universe, nagfo-focus ka sa time. So, sige, bibigyan ka talaga ng mas mahabang panahon, mahabang oras niyan. Kasi parang mas gusto mo yata mas matagal. 'Di ba? Parang ganun yan eh, no? Kasi the universe will always say yes sa kung ano yung iniisip mo at nararamdaman mo. So, be more grateful. The more you are grateful sa mga bagay na meron ka, meaning you're living at the moment, you're aligning the moment, the more na mas maraming graces na darating sa'yo. Kasi grateful kang tao. Oo, grateful siya. So, bibigyan kita uli nito para mas maging grateful ka. Alright? So sana itong advice na to gawin natin to the next 3 to 6 months, mas makakatulong to sa inyo. Alright? Nasa new beginning mo. So ang gagawin mo dito, mag-gratitude list ka every morning or every day. Kung kaya hindi ka busy, mag-affirm ka or mag-list down ka ng mga things na grateful ka for the family, for the roof, under your head, no, may bahay ka, may sasakyan ka, may maganda kang trabaho, or even it doesn't have to be tangible, pwede din sa mga intangible things na grateful ako sa aso ko, sa mama ko, sa papa ko, masaya at in perfect health ang family ko, ganon. Okay, be in gratitude every day para the more na nagiging grateful tayo, the more na maraming blessings at mas magiging mas thankful ka. Kasi naririnig yan ng universe. The universe will always say yes. Kung gratitude, 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 gusto nilang marinig yan ng paragi. 'Di ba? Kasi yan yung gusto mong naririnig nila, no? Binabalik mo. You're sending it out. You're very grateful. Oh, napaka-grateful niya. Sige, bibigyan uli kita ng blessing. Oh, naririnig ko na naman yung gratitude niya. Bibigyan kita uli ng blessing. Ganun yun. Okay? It's just a reflection kung ano yung sinasabi natin, iniisip at nararamdaman. Okay, Gemini? Sa new beginning mo naman, ang sabi, when I cultivate a spiritual connection. So, yun talaga. First and second reading mo, basically same theme. Spiritual connection, kailangan mo daw i-cultivate, no? You can trust the universe no matter what. So, feeling ko kasi may resistance ka na parang, if highway or my way, parang, if it doesn't go this way, paano na ako? Walang ganoon, okay? Tanggalin natin yan. Magtiwala tayo sa universe na ina-align yung stars para sa'yo para ma-deliver yung ninanais mo as long as mas makakabuti sa'yo at wala tayong inaapakang ibang tao. Kasi may energy dun din sa first reading as well na sa manifestation mo, it has to be good intention pero at the same time, it's selfless. Okay? It's selfless. Wala tayong apakang ibang tao, wala tayong sasaktang ibang tao or mga sitwasyon. Okay? And then, it's being like, parang for the highest good of you and of all na involved. Okay? Now, at the center, ito yung kailangan mong matutunan or you have yet to learn, I can do less and attract more. So, yun, yung team. So, may resistance talaga, no? So, sinasabi nito, learn to relax, no? Kung nagawa mo na yung what's due of you, no? Yung mga kailangan mong gawin. And there's nothing more but wait. So, you just attract. I can do less and attract more. Do not chase. Kung meron tayong mga inaantay na kontrata, don't look desperate sa mga contracts. Don't look desperate sa connection, sa friendship, for attention. Sa family, do not try to always be right. Yung ano yun, do less, and attract more good things in life. Yun ang sinasabi sa'yo, Gemini. So, sana nag-resonate kayo sa reading na to. Natapos ang reading at 9:46 p.m. September 29, 2024. And if does not resonate with you, Gemini, I will tap into your energy next month. I'll see you guys on your next month Tagalog reading. Take care, Gemini. God bless and mahal ko kayo. Bye!